Hi, Love Me Do by the Beatles. Okay, the chords are simple, the rhythm is a little bit more difficult, so I will simplify the rhythm. We'll just do downstrokes. Now, you've also got a G7 in this, and if you look at the top of the page, it says the chords C and D are in the chord section above or previous pages. For the G7, use the G chord and replace the fourth finger on the first string, fret 3, with the first finger on the first string, fret 1. What does that mean? Okay, now I am referring to that G. Okay, if you use that G, it's a little bit trickier. You're going to have to swap from that and go all the way around to that G. But I'm just going to explain the way I do the G, and it's so much easier, and that's why another reason I use that G. Okay, so here we go. Use the G chord. We've got the G chord. Get the G chord and replace the fourth finger, which is this one here, on the first string, third fret. Okay, so we got the first string, third fret, fourth finger, with the first finger here on the first string, fret 1. Okay, so it's just a matter of changing from that G to G7. We take the fourth finger off and we put in the first finger on. G, G7. Okay, G, G7. Okay, so we have 3 chords. We've got a G, so G7, C, and a D. Okay, so let's go through. The first part is the intro. It says G7, C 4 times. So let's do a simple rhythm for now. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, G7. So G7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and so on. 4 times. Now we go to the chorus. Okay. Some songs start with the chorus, some don't. In this case, it does. So we're going to do a G7, 1, 2, 3, 4, change to a C. 1, 2, 3, 4, change to a G7. 1, 2, 3, 4, change to the C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next line, back to the G7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Still a C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it says C and stop. That's it. Okay. Now each chord is 4 beats. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. One chord is 1, 2, 3, 4. Onto the C, 1, 2, 3, 4. G7, 1, 2, 3, 4. To the C, 1, 2, 3, 4. G7, 1, 2, 3, 4. C, 1, 2, 3, 4. C again, 1, 2, 3, 4. C again, 1, 2, 3, and stop for 1 beat. Okay, and then into the Love Me Do. The bridge, we have a D, D, C, G. So it's D for 4, D for 4, C for 4, G for 4. Okay, someone to love, and so on. And again, D, D, and C, and G. Okay, back to the chorus. Back to the G7, C, G7, C, G7, C, another C, another C, and C stop. Okay, that is basically it. Just remember the stop, 1 strum on a C. So you've got the first C is 4 beats. Another C4, another C for 4, and then C for 1. Okay, Enjoy singing.